All right, we're at room 2127 at the California. This is in the West Tower. And as we come in the room, the first thing on your right is the bathroom. Large counter space, only one sink. Everything looks pretty new. I think they were all remodeled about, I don't know, 5 years ago or so. Nice big shower. You have a small closet area. Two queen beds. Three large drawers. And in here you have a safe and a usable mini fridge, which I love. Little desk area, a couple nice chairs, and the trademark Boyd shuttered windows. The room looks clean and looks nice. I'm happy with it.